Disclaimer, this video is for entertainment purposes only. Thank you very much. Hi guys, in this video we will learn about the advantages and disadvantages of cryptocurrency versus stock market. So let's get started. Let's understand what is cryptocurrency first, right? So cryptocurrency, we can see this is a picture representing some kind of where you can see some blocks and there is some chain. So blockchain you heard with the cryptocurrency in before, so that is putting some perspective on that. So in blockchain technology is first developed for the cryptocurrency, where different blocks are processed, and so each block is basically representing a transaction, and now it is on the open ledger, meaning that this transaction will go through and anybody can see the address of this cryptocurrency. Each transaction, it is available into the market, but when the transactions are happening, they need to be secured, so nobody else can take a look at it or exploit the system. So that's why when you heard the cryptocurrency, there's first word is crypto. Crypto comes from cryptography. Cryptography is a technique which is used to hide the message, and basically it's an encryption kind of thing, where it is nobody can hack and open this message and see. So that's why it is called cryptocurrency. And currency is like a cryptocurrency is a digital currency where the blockchain technology is used, and it is cryptographed for each time. So Bitcoin is the first currency that is used this technology, and where the algorithm was solved and each transaction. That why when you heard a lot of people are making money with the mining, and they're using their servers and computers to compute this. So that is basically cryptocurrency, basically just very very high level to understand what is cryptocurrency. So let's get started with the stock market. Stock market is very specific to a country, meaning that United States have their own stock market, and it have some timing that stock market having some timing, it open on that time, close on that time. There are some transactions are happening in after hours. So that is very, and then also any company who do some or want to do some stocks in that country, they need to go through some government body of organization. So that organization and that government controls what you can do and what you cannot do, what taxes, what reporting, regulation, and all of those things have to go through that. So this is that's how the stock market works for the each specific country. It have some timing, it is centralized, and it is very regulated industry. So where you have to be follow all of those rules, and when you buy and sell on in this country, on that country that you're doing transactions, you have to pay and pay attention to the rules and regulation, and pay taxes and follow all of the things. So it is in nature is very regulated, and it also very centralized as per the country. So United States having their own stock market, England have their own market. If you see Middle East, and every country have their own stock market controlled by their central banks or their regulating authority, what they can do and what they cannot. So let's take a look at the cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency was developed to deregulate and decentralize, meaning that they created the cryptocurrency so it can be used everywhere. But every country have their rules and regulation. For the most part, most countries are not stopping and banning cryptocurrency. And so Bitcoin was the first currency that was developed, and you can see on the screen it's called BTC as a symbol, where you can trade and buy and sell into the cryptocurrency exchange, which is different than stock exchange brokers. It is international in the sense that you can send Bitcoin to anyone in the world. You can also buy and sell 24 hours. So that is a difference, another big difference with the cryptocurrency and into the stock market. Stock market having some timing, and cryptocurrency is 24 hours. It is decentralized, it is unregulated, And as I mentioned before, it is very highly secure because of the technology it uses. It is a blockchain technology with cryptography and all of those things. So that is the advantages we have with the cryptocurrency versus stock market. Stock market have their own advantages where you can make some money into the some particular country you are buying and selling. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin. Bitcoin symbol is BTC, and as you can see, it is 24 hours window of it is changed plus into the 0.01%, and you can see different timings are showing up here, and market cap, volume. So this is the first coin, and it is having the biggest market cap into the market right now. To buy a coin, Bitcoin, it is 48,913 for now for this screenshot, but its price is increased already as I'm speaking. Also with the Bitcoin, you can buy in fractions, meaning what? You can buy Bitcoin for $100. So you can divide this into the 100 and see what portion you get. So you can get 0.0012 something, for example, and you get to hold this. You can hold this as much long you want, and when the price goes up, you sell it, or you can just leave it in your wallet. And if you want to trade on, you want to exchange to somebody else, you can also do that. And how do you trade and do that? You go to the cryptocurrency exchanges. So for example, let me show you that. So Binance Coin is one of the example where you can see Binance Coin is not supported by Coinbase. Coinbase is a cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy and sell. Coinbase is another coin called BNB that is not allowed by Coinbase. Coinbase not. So every exchange have some number of coins that is available to trade, buy and sell. And Coinbase not basically they do not have this coin available on their exchange. You have to go to the Binance exchange because it is a Binance coin. But there's some process. Somebody want to list their coin onto the Binance, so that process I think is not completed. That's why it is not there. You can see that it's negative 2.62% in 24 hours, and it's 243, but price is different today. You can check it onto the cryptocurrency exchange. So cryptocurrency exchange, you can go to the description below. There are the links available. You can open account for Coinbase. You can open account for Coinbase US and Binance International. So Coinbase also have two versions. One is Pro, one is Coinbase, regular Coinbase. When you open account and you buy something, you can get up to I think $100 worth of coins. If you buy, you get $10 in bonus signing up, and also I will get some bonus as well. And also I will make another video where you can earn more money by taking surveys on that. So that is very good. Binance US also, you can do that. When you open account, you have to go through the registration process where you put your ID and your picture and all. So that takes some time. So it takes 4 or 5 days to go through that. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment and ask any questions if you have any. Thank you very much.